Coriander's main benefits are that it promotes a healthy digestion, maintains clear complexion. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of the doTERRA Coriander Essential Oil. Coriander is an annual herb that grows 3 feet high and is very aromatic. Coriander seeds have been used for centuries to aid digestion and are still used today for the same benefit. Coriander has a high linalool content, which helps skin maintain complexion. Coriander can also be soothing to the body. Coriander's sweet herbaceous aroma is both relaxing and stimulating, making it a good rotation oil to use in blends and add a fresh herbaceous note. The top 3 common uses of doTERRA's coriander are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internal. Coriander's main benefits are that it promotes a healthy digestion, maintains clear complexion, soothes muscles and joints, and also flavors food. The directions for use are substituting 1 drop per 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground coriander in recipes. You can also add 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil for tired muscles. And I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. So this is a great carrier oil that helps reduce the concentration and reduce the chance of irritation for the essential oil. It also helps the essential oil absorb better into the skin and then also cover larger surface area. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops of this coriander oil in a diffuser like the doTERRA Petal Diffuser and use throughout the day. Well, that concludes today's video. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.